When biking long distances through nature, having a reliable, compact cooking system can enhance the adventure. Introducing the Primus Feed Zone, a lightweight, highly efficient outdoor cooking system designed for cycling and active adventures. The system features a durable stove burner that locks securely to the 0.5-liter hard anodized aluminum pot, which includes a pour spout and heat exchanger for optimized cooking. The entire setup conveniently packs inside the pot with 100-gram gas canister, making it easy to carry. It comes with an oversized, foldable control valve for precise flame control, while the laminar flow burner technology ensures stability and compactness. For versatility, the included pot support pegs allow you to use any non-system pot or pan. The bio-based plastic lid doubles as a cup, adding convenience to your outdoor dining experience. With Primus Feed Zone, you can cook easily and efficiently while exploring new destinations. Grilling on the go is a must for those who love outdoor adventures, tailgating, or simply enjoying a meal on the deck. Introducing the Nomadicu Portable Propane Gas Grill, the ideal solution for portable and hassle-free cooking. Weighing just 12.3 pounds, this lightweight grill is perfect for camping, RV trips, boating, and road adventures. Its compact design folds down to only 16 inches wide, 14 inches high, and 6 inches thick, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. Crafted with aluminum die-cast parts, it ensures durability without added weight. Featuring dual temperature controls, this grill allows precise cooking with 2 independent grilling surfaces, making it easy to sear meat on one side while grilling vegetables on the other. The tabletop design adds versatility for indoor or outdoor use. With its quick and easy setup, the Nomadicu grill lets you focus on the fun while delivering perfectly grilled meals anywhere. Overcoming physical exhaustion and maximizing adventure potential is vital for outdoor enthusiasts. Introducing the Hypershell Mountain Exoskeleton, an ultralight, foldable powerhouse designed to enhance your outdoor experience. Weighing just 1.8 kilograms, it features an 800-watt motor that provides up to 10 kilograms of horizontal push and a 30-kilogram weight offset, allowing you to easily tackle steep inclines or heavy loads. With a top assist speed of 20 kilometers per hour and a battery range of 17.5 kilometers, you'll go further and faster without tiring. Its AI-based motion engine recognizes 10 different postures, adapting in real time to your movements for seamless support. Designed for rugged conditions, it boasts a robust IP54 rated body and operates in temperatures as low as 20 degrees. The Hypershell Mountain Exoskeleton offers 300 degrees of leg movement freedom, ensuring comfort across various terrains. With its one-touch operation and replaceable battery, this exoskeleton is ready to power your next adventure, wherever it takes you. For outdoor enthusiasts and night runners, having a reliable light source that ensures visibility and safety during low-light conditions is crucial. Meet the HOKOLN Outdoor Night Running Lights, a versatile and energy-efficient solution for those who enjoy nighttime activities like running, hiking, or camping. These 2-pack LED running lights feature a rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and offering convenience with fast USB charging in just 1.5-2 hours. With 4 adjustable lighting modes, users can choose from various brightness levels to suit their needs, with battery life ranging from 3.5 to 13 hours, depending on the mode. Ultra compact and weighing only 1.2 ounces, these lights provide a maximum brightness of 150 lumens to light your path while remaining lightweight and easy to clip onto your cap or backpack. The sturdy clip ensures a secure fit, preventing falls during use. Perfect for outdoor activities, these lights offer practicality, efficiency, and sustainability with minimal packaging waste. A restful night's sleep is essential for any outdoor adventure. Meet the Hest Sleep System Wide, exceptional comfort and support, designed to rival your home mattress in a portable form. Now wider than the original, it's perfect for those who want extra space without compromising on quality. This sleep system features 2 layers of temperature-resilient memory foam that provide superior body alignment, pressure point relief, and temperature regulation, ensuring restful sleep in any condition. The durable drop-stitch base adds support and durability, making it ideal for rough outdoor surfaces, while the high R-value guarantees warmth and insulation. Easily packable and paired with a compact memory foam pillow, it's an unbeatable solution for comfortable camping. Tested and proven by outdoor enthusiasts, the Hest Sleep System Wide transforms your sleeping experience, allowing you to say goodbye to uncomfortable nights and wake up refreshed, ready for your next adventure. Perfect for both novice and experienced campers alike. A durable and comfortable sleeping arrangement is essential for enhancing outdoor experiences and ensuring restful relaxation in nature. Introducing the Tensile Double 2-Person Camping Hammock, a revolutionary hammock designed for elevated comfort and stability. Engineered with a 3-point anchoring system, it provides a taut, supportive surface for 2 people, eliminating the sag often associated with traditional hammocks. Constructed with robust materials, this hammock is easy to set up. Simply attach the ratchets and straps to 3 anchoring points and adjust for optimal tension and balance. Its design ensures even weight distribution and stability, making it perfect for a variety of terrains. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Its elevated setup keeps you off uneven ground and away from insects. Whether you're looking for comfort or a unique way to experience the outdoors, this hammock redefines versatility and convenience, ensuring a secure and restful outdoor retreat.